Gold has always had a special place throughout human history. Already around 700 BC, Lydian merchants produced the first coins. Gold is supposed to offer stability, but its price has seen several volatile periods, which speculators and investors like to trade. From 1976 to 1980, gold prices gained by 781%. 20 years later in 2000, it was time again, and the price gained from $254 to $1,927. In 2019, a new bullish rally started, and some say the price will gain further in the years ahead. Coronavirus fears and quantitative easing are driving prices higher. Do you think gold prices will gain or slump? Take a position with ATFX. With us, you can trade on falling and rising prices. We make it easy for you to trade the global financial markets at any price, anytime and anywhere. Trade with ATFX, a global leader in online trading.